YouTube automation, the secret to success. Friends, today we are going to talk about an amazing and modern trend called YouTube automation. If you want to succeed on YouTube but don't have the time or are hesitant to appear on camera, this can be the perfect option for you. So, let's understand what YouTube automation is, how it works, and how you can use it to your advantage. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation means running a successful YouTube channel without recording videos yourself, showing your face, or spending too much time. In this model, different tasks such as video creation, editing, and uploading are automated or completed with the help of freelancers and AI tools. Key aspects of YouTube automation. To better understand YouTube automation, let's look at some of its main aspects. 1. Choosing a niche. The first step is to select a good niche, meaning a topic that people are highly interested in. Some popular niches include technology, finance and ways to make money, health and fitness, top 10 facts videos, educational and motivational videos. 2. Content research and script writing. To create videos, you need a great script. You can research and write it yourself or hire a freelancer. If you want to do it for free, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT for assistance. 3. Voiceover and audio production. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can generate professional voiceovers using AI tools like 11 Labs or Murph AI. Additionally, freelance marketplaces like Fiverr offer voiceover artists for hire. 4. Video editing and animation. YouTube automation channels typically use stock footage, animations, and slideshow videos. You can create videos using tools like Canva, InVideo, or Adobe Premiere Pro. If you need professional editing, you can also hire freelancers. 5. Thumbnails and SEO. A good thumbnail and YouTube SEO play a crucial role in your channel's success. Canva is a great free tool for designing thumbnails, while TubeBuddy and vidIQ can help optimize your videos for search rankings. How to make money with YouTube automation. Now, the most important question: how can you make money with YouTube automation? Here are some primary ways. 1. YouTube monetization. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn money through YouTube ads. 2. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by including product links in your videos. 3. Sponsorships. When your channel grows, brands will pay you for sponsored videos. 4. Digital products. You can promote your courses, ebooks, or other digital services. Conclusion. YouTube automation is an excellent opportunity to run a successful YouTube business without significant investment. All you need is a good niche, high-quality content, and the right strategy. If you stay consistent, you will soon see great results. If you want to start YouTube automation, take the first step today.